Hi everyone, and welcome again to another tutorial from Website Tutorials. This time I'm going to show you how to create flyers from any kind of files that people send you. So typically when we have events or announcements, you get a Microsoft Word or a Adobe Acrobat PDF file that are sent to you, and you're asked to place it on the website. There's a very easy method to turn those into a flyer that can be posted as an image. Here's a good example. You'll notice this is an old event that we had, and I received that file in Word document, as a Word document, not as an image. So we need to turn that into an image and post it on the site. Similarly here, this is like a table, and I got that from a PDF file, but you can also have an Excel file. Basically any file that you can open on your machine, you can post as a flyer or as an image. And check out the other tutorial, tutorial number 106 on how to post PDF files, because that shows you how you can place a link behind those images to the actual flyer, so when a visitor clicks on it, they can actually download the original file. So if you want to make that file available, you can also do that and allow people to download it. Okay, let's quickly get started here. So I'm going to first thing is, let me show you this file, this flyer here. I received it as a Word document. And you'll notice here's a Word document, Microsoft Word, latest version, and I opened up the document. So let's say someone sent you this in email. You receive it as a Word document. So you open it up, and you basically have the image within it. How do you get to that image? Well, the easiest way to do that is to get a screenshot of your computer. Okay, and the way to do that, let me show you what a typical keyboard looks like this. This is a typical keyboard layout. The way we're going to do this is I'm going to click on the Alt button, and I'm going to click on Print Screen. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to go, and that will take a screenshot of that whole window. So to do that, you open Microsoft Word, open the document, and left click with your mouse on the title of that document. And after you do that, you click on Alt, like I showed you on your keyboard. Click on Alt Print Screen at the same time. So click Alt, hold down, and then click on Print Screen, and that takes almost a snapshot or a picture of that window. And then you click on Start and open the program Paint. You can just click on Start and Paint, or Start, Run, and type MS Paint, and then click OK. And that opens the Paint program. And when you're there, basically just right click anywhere on the image on here, and then edit, and then paste. And that pastes that image that it took, or the screenshot that it took. And it fits nicely here. When you're done, click on that button here to select. Select only the part that you want as the image, and then right click on it and say copy. And then click on File, New, and it's going to say, do you want to save changes? Say no. And then when you click on the new, right click and say Paste, and it will paste it in a new image. Okay. Now you can resize by just going to the corners here and resizing that background. But for now, I'm just going to make sure that it fits snug around that image. And here's what the image looks like at the end. Now, you want to save that image file, save as, and I'm going to put it in here. I'm just going to call it Flyer 3. And the important thing is save it as, type, and select PNG. PNG files are better format. Some of the best formats out there. So use PNG or JPG file format. Click on Save, And that's it. That image is saved. Let me show you quickly how to do the same thing, but using a PDF file. So here's a PDF file that I received from someone, and they asked me to post it on the website. Again, how do you turn that into an image? Well, there are other ways to do it from here directly, through Adobe Acrobat's viewer. But instead of doing that, I'm just going to do the same thing, screenshot. So what I'm going to do is left click on the bar, and then click on Alt Print Screen, and then I'm going to click on Start, Run, MS Paint, Open Paint Program, and click on Edit, Paste, and that pastes the entire image. I'm going to just select the part that I'm interested in, which is this, and then I'm going to right click, copy, and then File, New, do not save changes, and then right click, paste, and that's it. Now you have your image. Now save it, save as, and I'm going to save it in this location. I'm going to call it Flyer 4, and again I'm going to save it as PNG, and then click save, and that's it. You can close that. Let me quickly show you what those files look like now. So here I am, I saved them on my machine, and it's called Flyer 3. This is what it looks like. Just make sure that it saved them correctly, and it looks exactly the way you want it to look. And then click close. Alright, and that's it. So those are the files. Now let's upload those files to the website. Same exact way you used to uploading any images in early tutorials. So I'm going to go and create a new post. I'm just going to type stgeorgephilly.org/post, and then I'm going to enter my credentials and log in. You should have those credentials, and then I'm just going to say I'm going to create a new post. I'm going to call it Flyers, and click down here, and I'm going to insert the images that I uploaded. Add an image, and browse, and Flyer 3. This is the image that I uploaded, and I'm just going to click upload the image I created of the flyer, and there it is, the flyer. And you can give it a title, you can give it a link URL, or you can say I don't want a URL for this image, I don't want it to be clickable, or you can put a URL of the actual PDF file that when the visitor clicks on this image, download the PDF file. I'm just going to select alignment. I'm going to say no alignment, just keep it right where I upload it. And let's say medium or large. I'm going to select medium size, and I'm going to say insert into post. That's it. It places that flyer into your post. You can click on it, left click on it, and then adjust the size of it. I'm just going to keep it the way it is. And same thing, I'm going to upload the other one. Click upload, browse, Flyer 4, upload, and that's it. This is the image, and I don't want a link to it. I'm just going to say none, medium, insert into post, and that's it. I think those are too small for viewing, so I think you should probably insert it as a full size or a large. But there it is, and once you're done, you do the publish, and that should publish your post. And it says post published, view post. You can click here or go back to the website, and I'm going to click refresh, and here is the post that we just added. You got your flyers, and they look nice, and you can just add them to this site like that. And you can use this to basically take a screenshot of any file that anyone sends you, or anything you see on the internet that you want to post. You can do that. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. Thank you very much.